Now, in continuation with the previous video, where I have explained about the structure of 18 atoms, I'm just explaining more, and even the formation of sodium chloride compound also. It's just a revision. So I told you, atom of sodium, it is represented like this. Number on the top is the mass number or atomic mass. And this is your atomic number. This is 11 is your atomic number. Now 11 means 2 electrons in the first shell, 8 electrons in the second shell, and third shell you have 1 electron. So total of 11 electrons, that is 2, 8, 1. And potassium, see, potassium you have 39, atomic weight is 39, number of electrons, atomic number is 19. So first shell will have 2 electrons, second shell will have 8 electrons, third shell will have 8 electrons, and there is one extra, 2 plus 8, 10, 18, 1, 19 electrons, total 19 electrons. Then, so this is how the electrons have been distributed in different shells. Now oxygen also, same we have discussed before. Oxygen atomic number 8, so 2 in the first shell, second shell is 6. Fluorine 9, 2 in the first shell, second shell it has got 7 electrons. Sulfur, you have 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 electrons in the third shell. 2, 8, 6, total 16. So 6 electrons are in the third shell, that is K shell, first shell, L shell, M shell. And chlorine also same, M shell. First shell will have 2 electrons, second shell will have 8 electrons, third shell will have 7 electrons. Now these are the elements in the last group, that is helium, 2 electrons, shell is complete. Neon, 10 atomic number 10, that means 2 in the first shell, second shell, 8 electrons. So neon. Then argon, 2 electrons in the first shell, second shell 8 electrons, third shell 8 electrons. So these 3 elements in the 8th group, the shells are complete. The shells are complete. So they are filled with, outermost shells are chemically inert. So they are inert. Now oxygen we will discuss. Number of protons, electrons is 8. Protons also will be 8. Atomic number 8. Atomic mass number, that is atomic weight or mass number, is protons plus neutrons, that is 16. Same way sulfur, number of electrons 16. Atomic number 16, number of neutrons is also 16. Why? Because atomic mass is 32. 32 minus 16. So atomic mass, protons plus neutrons will give you the atomic mass. Now let's see the formation of sodium chloride. Sodium has how many electrons? 1 electron in the last shell. So it has a tendency to transfer 1 electrons to chlorine. So chlorine has 7 electrons, we have discussed here, 7 electrons in the last shell. So if 1 electron is being transferred to chlorine atom, then this sodium will have first shell 2 electrons, second shell will have 8 electrons. Here 2, 8, 7. So one more, when it get chloride ion will become 2, 8, 8. See, it is given here. Sodium ion 2, 8 by giving 1 electron. Chloride ion 2, 8, 8. One more electron. So this has become chloride ion. Next one. This is the periodic table. This is the these are the elements of the last shell. 8 electrons. So this is the first shell, second group. So it is like that. This is the periodic table. So with this, the top number is your atomic number. The number below here is your atomic mass. In the periodic table, it is arranged in the other way. So is this clear? 40.08 is considered as 140. Isotopes. Next topic is isotopes. Isotopes are atoms of the same element having same atomic numbers but different atomic mass. Yeah, mass numbers. See, hydrogen. One example of isotope is hydrogen. Hydrogen has three isotopes. First one deuterium. Second one, first one is protium. Second one is deuterium. Third one is tritium. So number of protons here in the first one in hydrogen is one electron, one proton. Here deuterium, there are number of electrons, one proton and one electron is there. That is the difference in mass number. Tritium, one electron, one proton, one electron, atomic number remains the same, 1 1 1, but the neutrons are different. So here it is 1 neutron, here 0 neutron in the first one protium. In deuterium 1 neutron is there. Tritium 2 neutrons are there. Same way carbon has 2 isotopes, 12 atomic mass, 6 atomic number. Here also atomic number remains the same. That is in hydrogen also atomic number remains the same. Number of atomic mass is different. 1, 2, 3. These are the isotopes of hydrogen: protium, deuterium, tritium. Now carbon has 2 isotopes. One atomic number is 6. Here the atomic mass is 12. Atomic mass is 14. Chlorine has 2 isotopes. See chlorine. Atomic number is 17. Atomic mass 35. Here the atomic mass is 37. So this is how the chlorine is 35 chlorine and 37 chlorine. That is how it is named as the chlorine 35 and chlorine 37. That is the name of the isotopes. Next, 2 uses of isotopes. An isotope of iodine is used for the treatment of goiter. I hope you have learned in biology. So for goiter, the treatment is isotope of iodine. The next is isotope of uranium is used as fuel in nuclear reactors. So it is used as a isotope. Is used as a fuel in nuclear reactors. Which one? Isotope of uranium. Next one. So you understood what is isotope. Now is the last topic of this chapter, isobars. Isobars are atoms of different elements having different atomic numbers but same mass numbers. Just the opposite. There the atomic number was same, atomic mass was different. Here different atomic numbers, same mass numbers. Just the reverse of that. Example, calcium. Atomic number 20. Argon also it is 20. See, atomic number 18 have different atomic atomic numbers but same mass numbers. Their atomic mass is the same. See, argon also atomic number is 18. Calcium atomic number 20 but the atomic mass is same. So one example for isotope is calcium. The other one is iron. Iron also, iron and nickel. Here calcium and argon, one pair. You talk it in pairs, in terms of pairs. Calcium and argon is one pair. Example of isobar with same atomic mass, different atomic number. Iron and nickel, same atomic mass, different atomic numbers. This is another example. Iron and nickel is one isobar. Calcium and argon is the other one. Okay, thank you. With this, the chapter is over. I have given you assignment questions. I have given you portfolio questions. So if you have any doubt, you have